Alright there, hi there boys and girls. So we're back again for a new tutorial, and today we're gonna talk about the famous Juicyflick. So yeah, the Juicyflick. I hope you guys can hear me because it's really windy and it's cold again, like it always is here in Holland. So yeah, there's a little bit of history to the Juicyflick, and that started when Johnny FPV and Wild Willie were starting their juicy stuff like 100 years ago. They did this flick on 180 flip, actually, like an inverted look back, and they called it a flick. And then Wild Willie tried to teach it to Joshua Bartwell. There's a video of that, and in that video he called it the Juicyflick. So that's the first time the word Juicyflick came about. And in that time, the Juicyflick then was just a flick, 180 flip, sort of a look back thing, and like that, sort of. But then it changed, and now it is a move in 3 parts. So it's the 180 flip, like a look back, like this. The second part is the roll, it's a 180 roll out of it, and the third part is a 180 yaw. So it should look like this.
1 minute.
So 180 flip with a look back, roll out, and 180 yaw. So that should be, I hope you guys can hear me because it's fucking, the wind is blowing. That one was nice. So it changed a little bit, the Juicyflick. So now there is this roll at the end and the yaw at the end. The wind is blowing my head off. I hope you guys can hear me. Now, the more you float it, the nicer it is. Yeah, that was nice. The wind is picking up, boys. So that's it, guys. 3 parts. Not that difficult, not that easy, but it's not that difficult either. And see you guys later. Cheers.